friend! A special present has arrived in the calm little corner. Should we open it? If we say open, it'll open. Ready? Open! It's a small little Christmas elf. Wow! Look, another Christmas present. Should we open this one too? Let's say open and it'll open. Open! It's a gingerbread cookie. Hello, little gingerbread cookie. Oh, this is a bright blue Christmas present. What's inside this present? It's a teddy bear. A soft and cozy teddy bear. Hello, teddy bear. This one looks extra special. Should we say open and see what's in this present? Ready? 1, 2, 3, open! It's a little reindeer toy. Look at his beautiful red scarf. Hello, little reindeer. Our last present. I wonder what it could be. Let's say open and see what our last Christmas present is going to be. Ready? Open! Wow! It's a nutcracker. Hello, little nutcracker. Welcome to the calm little corner. Thank you so much for opening presents with me. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me in the calm little corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye.